Today we're gonna have chilaquiles. These are chilies that are spicy, but not too spicy. We're gonna take the heat level down by ripping off the stems and getting those seeds out. Toasting that, we're gonna put an onion into the pan next. So let's move on to the jalapeno. You wanna dial back the heat on this? Strip out the guts. We're gonna slide those out, add some oil, slide our onions and jalapenos in, salt, a little pepper. Let that work. Get your oven nice and hot. Cut your tortillas into a few fat strips. Turn it sideways, cut them again. Scatter them around. Spray them up, salt them up, toast them up. Some fat cloves of garlic to throw in there. Dump that down into the pot. We're gonna add back our toasted chilies because now we're adding our liquids. I'm gonna add some chicken stock, a big old can of fire roasted tomatoes. Season that up with a little salt. Add a little oregano if you like. This is smoked sweet paprika. A little drizzle of honey, the unsweetened cocoa in here. We give this a stir. All right, let's talk toppings. For the toppings, I'm gonna grab some radishes and cilantro, cotija cheese. We've got a little bit of onion. Okay, we got our pepper jack, chips, in. All of our chilies, the garlic, the onions, the jalapenos, lid. This sauce stays for weeks in the fridge, and I just put the extra into the appropriate size mason jar. So all of our cheese, double cheese, double, goes down over the top of that. Heavy pan back into hot oven to melt and brown and bubble the cheese. Now we're gonna move on to the eggs. With a dab of butter per egg, crack your egg, drop it in gently, and cover it. I'm gonna get a plate to slide the eggs onto. These look delightful. I've got some beautiful cilantro, red onion. I've got some sassy radishes. Now I can just start sliding them right on top. Season up these guys. Put that salt there. Done! Ta-da! For breakfast, lunch, or dinner, chilaquiles, my gift to you.